Today now let us start 24 October 2020 news analysis and civil dreams, your subscribers and get the starts. India opposes a binding pact on opening services trade at WTO World Trade Organization in a effort in an effort to address climate change goal and global and impact of COVID-19. Countries like Australia, Canada, Mexico, etc. asking for making environmental related services trade more and affordable through increased market opening by WTO member. However, India opposed the move, stating an importance of building in a flexibility for developing country provided by the General Agreement for Trade in Services and GATS. Developing countries are given flexibility for opening favor sectors, liberalizing favor types of transactions, and progressively extending market accesses in line with their development situation. India also added that there was a need to start serious discussions on Mod 4 of the services negotiations related to easier movement of professionals. GATS is the first and multilateral agreement and covering trade in services similar to objectives of General Agreement on Tariff and Trade GATT. It provides a framework of rules governing and services trade, establishes a mechanism for a countries to make an commitments to liberalize and trade in services and provides a mechanism for resolving a dispute between a countries. It was a negotiate during an Uruguay round and came into force in 1995. Currently, WTO members are having discussions to achieve a higher level of market opening under GATS. And exporting country, direct cross-border service, consumption borders, cross-border capital flow, and cross-border labor movement. Sustainable processing of a municipal solid waste and waste to wealth, increasing population and rapid urbanizing and necessity and sustainable waste management volume of a waste is projected to rise from the present 62 million tons to about 150 million tons by 2030. Waste to wealth refers to the process of a conversion of waste to product that can be put to in a primary use that which can be viewed as a process of generating wealth. Some of the technology for waste waste to wealth sorry टेक्नोलॉजी हमारा क्या है प्लाज्मा आर्क एंड गैसिफिकेशन प्रोसेस it uses electricity to generate high temperature plasma arc above 3000 inside the plasma reactor which convert the waste into a signals consist of a COS2 or CO2 wealth and signals can be used in a gas engines for generation of electricity. Residual as can be mixed with a cement for a preparation of a recycled bricks for usage in a construction. Biogasification. In this biodegradable component for of the waste is decomposed in an anaerobic absence of oxygen environment and biogas is a liberated wealth. Biogas can be used as fuel for a cooking in gas engines for any generation of electricity. A residual slurry from a biogas plant is converted to compost through and vermicomposting and which is utilized in organic farming. Biomass waste disposals, biomass waste such as dry leaves and dead branches and dry grass are disposed of by first shredding it to a suitable site, followed by mixing and with the slurry of the biogas digesters. This mixture is a feedstock for an briquette which is utilized as fuel for an cooking. These briquettes are also utilized for productions of a sickness. The ash produced from burning of a briquettes is mixed with a cement and water for a production of a bricks for construction work. Pyrolysis and polymer waste is heated to a temperature of 400 to 600 in an anaerobic environment in the presence of suitable catalyst. The volatile matter form in a polymer waste on a condensation gives pyrolysis oil. A non-condensed cygnets and crude and pyrolysis oil are used for an heating and a purpose. The solid and residue and known as a char is mixed with the biogas slurry and for production of a briquette. Climate Finance and a Shadow and a Report 2020 by Oxfam highlights and a concern of climate finance. Around $47 billion of the total climate financing of 59.5 billion pledged in 2017-18 was forwarded as loan and only 12.5 billion was given in the form of grant. It risked and contributing to the unsustainable debt and burden of many and low-income countries. Only a quarter of funding was spent and helping the countries and adapt to the impact of the climate crisis. 66% were spent to cut emissions or a climate mitigations scale up in adaptations financing was needed if 2015 Paris Agreement commitment was to be realized. Very little and climate financing was being spent at the local level in a partnership with the local communities. Suggestions climate financing by redirecting some fossil fuel and subsidies, accounting standards under UNFCCC for all donors. Climate finance refers to a local, national, or a transnational financing drawn from public, private, and alternative sources of a financing that seeks to support a mitigation and adaptation action that will address climate change. Kyoto Protocol and the Paris Agreement call for financing assistance from parties and with more financial resources to those that are less endowed and more vulnerable. Some Global Green Finance Mechanism Adaptation Fund under UNFCCC was established in 2001 to finance concentrate and adaptation project and programs in developing countries parties to the Kyoto Protocol that are particularly vulnerable to the adverse effects of a climate change. Green climate change Climate Fund under UNFCCC was committed by developed countries in 2009 to mobilize 100 billion every year by 2020 to help developing countries cut their carbon dioxide emissions and adapt to the effect of a climate change. Global Environment Facility and GEF Trust Fund was established on the eve of the 1992 and Rio Earth Summit to help and tackle our planet's most pressing environmental problem. India assumes an chairmanship of the governing body of International Labour Organization after a gap of 35 years. Governing body is the apex executive body of the ILO which decides on policy programs, agenda, budget and elect the director general. ILO was established in 1990 as a part of Treaty of Versailles post-World War I and became the first specialized agency of the United Nations in 1946. ILO is the only tripartite UN agency that brings together governments, employers, and workers of member states to set labor standards, policy, and programs promoting a decent work for all women and men. At present, ILO has 187 members. India is a founding member of ILO. ILO has three main bodies: International Labour Conference. It sets the labor standards and board policies, often called an International Parliament of Labour. The conference is also a forum for discussions of a key social and labor question. Governing body, it is the executive council of ILO taking the financial decision. International Labour Office, it is the permanent and secretariat of ILO supervised by a governing body. The World Employment and Social Outlook, Global Wage Report, World Social and Protection Report. ILO governing body has identified 8 fundamental conventions: freedom of association and protections of the right to organize, and Convention 1948, not yet ratified by India; right to organize and a collective and a bargaining convention 1949, not yet ratified by India; forced labor and convention 1930 and its 2014 protocol; abolition of forced and labor and convention 1957; minimum age convention 1973; worst and form of child labor convention 1999; equal remunerations convention 1951; discrimination employment and occupation convention 1958. India Meteorological Department IMD and commissions flash and flood and guidance and services FFGS for South Asia. A dedicated FFGS and center will be established in New Delhi where weather modeling and analysis of rainfall and data and observations from a member countries will be done, and guidelines for a flash flood in form of a threats and 6 hours in advance and risk and 24 hours in advance will be provided for taking necessary mitigations measures to reduce the loss of a light and a property in India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, in Nepal and Sri Lanka, neighboring country. Any flash flood are highly localized and events of a short and duration with a very high peak and usually have less than 6 hours and between the occurrence of the rainfall and a peak flood. It causes a high and damages because of a suddenness, and according to a World Meteorological Organization, about 500 people die annually due to a flash flood. It occurs in a hilly and not to an hilly regions and sloping land where heavy and rainfall and thunderstorms of a cloudburst are common. Other regions include a sudden release of waters from upstreams and reservoirs and breaches in a landslide dam. Measures that can be taken regulations of inhabitation of low-lying areas along the rivers and nalas and drains, monitoring of landslides and blockage in river, etc. FATF keeps Pakistan on grey list. FATA is an intergovernmental organization founded in 1989 to develop policy to combat money and laundering and terrorist financing. FATF two types and black grey. These blacklist and these countries support terror funding and money and laundering activities. Grey list and these countries are considered a safe haven for supporting and terror and funding and money laundering, and this includes and survey as a warning to the country that it may enter the blacklist. प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना. प्रधानमंत्री मंडी हिमाचल प्रदेश has bagged on a top and positions in a country in a successfully, and implementations of a PMGSY. PMGSY was launched in 2000 to provide an all-weather access to unconnected habitations as part of a poverty reduction strategy. Ministry of Rural Development along with an state governments is responsible for implementation of a PMGSY fundamental funding and a pattern 60-40 between an center and the states for all states except for northeastern and Himalaya states for which is a 1910 PMGSY. Third was proposed last year for upgradations of a rural road. Snow leopard habitat conservation. India has identified three large and landscapes for a snow leopard. Hemis Spiti across Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. Nanda Devi Gangotri in Uttarakhand. Kanchenjunga Tawang across Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Initiative takes from snow leopard and protection project snow leopards in 2009, and India is on a party to a global snow leopard and ecosystem protection program. Snow leopard and a population assessment in India 2019 to estimate the population of snow leopards in the Indian range. IUCN status vulnerable. Lost river in the Thar Desert. Researchers have found an evidence of a lost river than ran and through the central Thar Desert near Bikaner as early as 172,000 years ago. Thar Desert, also called a Great Indian Desert, is located partly in Rajasthan state, northwestern India, and partly in Punjab and Sindh and provinces, eastern Pakistan. It would have often a lifeline to an Paleolithic pollutions and around 2.5 million years ago to 10,000 BC, and potentially an important corridor for mitigation. War memorial at Bumla inaugurated. Bumla Pass. Bumla Pass is a border pass between Tibet and Kona countries and India's and Tawang districts in Arunachal Pradesh. The pass currently serves as a trading point between Tawang and Tibet.